Hello. You have some new toys? Okay. What is that? With lights? Ooh. We have a dump truck.
A boat.
Where is the boat? We have an elephant and a little shop. Hello.
Elephant.
It's an elephant. Whoa. What you put in there?
It's a baby toy.
It's a baby toy.
Put with an elephant.
Okay. Oh wow, let me see. Here inside. Yes. So good.
Beep beep.
It's a fire truck. Oh, hello, duck. Wow. Watch. The hose. The phone. This fire truck is beautiful, isn't it? Wow. Can you turn it around for me? Oh, we have another one here. Oh, whoa. What are those?
For fire.
Wow, 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 wow. Whoa, I love it. I love it. What is that? Oh, they're so cute. Oh, an astronaut, a painter. Okay, and grandpa. We have a little shop.
This goes on a dump truck.
In a dump truck. Wow, let me see.
This is grandpa. And this is
Grandma, Granny, they go for some tea. Hello. Where's Granny? Oh, Granny, I can see you. Ta-da. And this one is the chef, the baker. Hello, Mr. Baker.
this is for boat.
For what is that?
A boat.
It's a marinara for boat. Wow, this boat is amazing. It's beautiful.
What's
I
it?
love it. What? Oh no! Oh my god, he ate it.
It's a fish.
It's a fish. Can you show me? Ooh. Whoa. Ouch! He ate me too. Not my phone. We need the phone. Yeah?
This is an astronaut.
This is an astronaut.
But would they have
A shape? We don't have a shape. That's fine. We can still play with that.
okay, pretend like.
We can pretend like we have one. Yeah, pretend like. Wow, well done. Let me see the astronaut. Hello. Beautiful.
He can paint.
He paints.
Oh.
Nice. What is that?
A paint.
Paint. What color?
Blue.
Blue.
Your favorite.
My favorite. And which color do you prefer?
Red.
A red one. And we have another lady here. She maybe is here with his son to cook and bake something yummy,
To
delicious.
make a tea.
Oh wow! Let me see. Oh, this house is so cute. We have a balcony here. Hello! We can see through here. Wow, wow, wow. Watch inside. We have some cups for the tea. Oh, wow. And what is that? I think this is for birds. Yeah. Very cute.
So much fun today.
So much fun today. You have make fun? Very nice. And what are you doing?
Exercising. Subscribe in my channel.
Subscribe in my channel, please. Bye.
Bye.
What are you doing?
Exercise.
All right. Bye bye. Thank you.